Imagine a life where every step you take is a stroll through the dazzling streets of New York City, surrounded by architectural wonders and artistic masterpieces. Now buckle up because we're about to dive into the ultimate academic hotspot, W 119th Street Student Accommodation. Nestled in a lively upscale community, this NYC student accommodation offers a diverse range of shared apartments, with each bedroom decked out with a bed that's comfier than a cloud, a spacious closet, and a dedicated study station. Plus, bask in the glory of air conditioning and wash away the academic blues in a shower that feels like a mini waterfall. Unleash your culinary creativity in the fully equipped shared kitchen. And when it's time to Netflix and chill with your pals, a smart TV in the living area is ready for action. And the best part, all utility bills are seamlessly included in the rent, making your stay worry-free. Talking about location, you're just an 8-minute stroll to the City College of New York, and a mere 15-minute bus ride will get you to the doorstep of Columbia University. When your taste buds crave adventure, simply cross the street to discover a culinary paradise with eateries like the Milton, the Red Grill, and Naruto Ramen. Ready to make this dreamy city your reality? Book your accommodation now at amberstudent.com and step into the vibrant tapestry of New York City,